Nature. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature, it will never fail you. Nature gives to every time and season some beauties of its own. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. There are some things you learn best in calm and some in storm. Earth and sky, woods and fields, lakes and rivers, the mountain and the sea are excellent schoolmasters and teach some of us more than we can ever learn from books. The beauty of the natural world lies in the details.